Hi there, my name is Melanie Berg and I'm looking forward to being a guest in the Fiberside Chat. If you haven't heard of these chats before, they are organized by a group of yarn stores and you can sign up at longmontyarn.com. In my chat, I'm looking forward to talking a bit about my ideas about knitting. How to make sure you'll get a lot of wear out of your finished item. Knitting takes a lot of time, so you want to be sure that your sweater or shawl or whatever you're making turns out exactly as planned or even better. If you've made one of my patterns, then please make sure to bring it to the Zoom because I love seeing your creations. I'll also show you what's on my needles right now and we'll look at some of my recently published designs. Finally, there'll be a little Q&A at the end. So if you have any questions, make sure to join in and be part of the Fiberside Chat. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Bye bye.